Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to sign in on Freshworks. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So, at very first, all you need to do is go to your web browser and type freshworks.com and hit enter. Click on free trials. Click on sign in button of any options. Now click on sign in with Google. Choose the Gmail account you want to sign in from. This is it. You are signed in. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.